Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Toyota Sienna. Now this is a little bit different than most of our vans. Usually I show them after they've been converted. We're sending this van off for conversion in 2 days. My goal is to get a video of the van to show you the condition that it's in. It's going to have the same deep cut rear entry conversion manual ramp and door that all our other Toyotas have, or almost all of our other Toyotas have. But my goal is to show you the condition of the van in case you want to put a deposit on it before the van gets back, to hold the van that you already know that it's an excellent van in excellent condition. So I started with a walk around. We took this van on trade from a family here in Wichita. It's got the roof rack. They just purchased a newer Toyota mobility van and they traded in their Toyota Sienna LE. This is a 2015, has about 85,000 miles on it. We'll check the odometer here in a minute. It is extremely clean. Got a few touch-up spots, touch-up paint I can see, right here, a couple small spots of touch-up paint. It's got the alloy wheels. All the tires are in excellent condition, so 4 good tires on it. These look like a Uniroyal tire, so a good name brand tire. They're all evenly worn. See a small spot of touch-up paint there and touch-up paint. So small little spots of touch-up paint. If I step back 3 feet away from the van, you can hardly tell they're there. But with all of our videos, I want you to know that we're trying to do our best to show the van honest and fair as we possibly can. We have nothing to hide. I have no trouble selling these vans. You can see a little bit of bug guts there on the front. We did try and scrub on those. Bug guts that have been there for a while, they're hard to get out. But again, overall the van looks very nice. We're going to put up some stock photos of what the van's going to look like once it's converted. So the photos you see, all our vans look about exactly the same. We get them all in the same condition, which is excellent. I don't buy junk. I don't take junk on trades. You can see the VIN number there. If you need to see it, I'll try to step out of the light. Again, family owned, female driven, power seat here. Non-smokers, didn't have pets in here. They use this van to carry around their daughter, who was actually in a wheelchair. And this van does have the power doors, power sliding doors. You can see there it's got the one on the passenger side, and they had a little ramp in here. None of this is going to matter. This is going to have 2 seats in it. It's going to have the canal. The back seat's not going to be there either. But you can see how clean this carpet is, how clean these seats are. The dash is excellent condition. They took really good care of this van. Has the backup camera, dual climate control. The driver can be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature. And you can have rear air. Passengers in the back can be another temperature as well. Headliner's in excellent shape. So yeah, the van does have a few miles on it, but with taken care of Toyota, this thing's just getting started. It does come with also the 2 keys and 1 key fob. When I go to turn the van on, that 1 key fob will do the doors, both power sliding doors, and will lock and unlock the vehicle. You can see all the dummy lights work, check engine light, ABS, airbag. No dummy lights on. Current miles 84,620. Show you it does have the backup camera there. Let me pop the hood real quick so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it idles smoothly. No signs of any damage along the fender rails there. We check these vans over very thorough before we buy them. Usually I buy them at auction and send them off to get conversion, but like I said, this got traded in and we're sending it off for conversion. Everything looks great here in Kansas. We got a lot of wind, but we don't have much snow, we don't have much ice. So very clean underneath, not all rusted out, no signs of any leaks whatsoever. This family kept up on all the oil changes. Very, very nice bunch of people. They took care of their stuff, they took care of their family. It was time to upgrade to something a little newer, and so let's take it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Last portion of the video, I'm going to get the van on a test drive. Before I do that, we've give this vehicle a good check over. It really needed little to nothing. I mean, it's been excellent maintained. All the power windows, power door locks, heat, air, everything seems everything seems to work just the way it should, as you would expect on a well taken care of Toyota. I'm going to get it on the highway. I'm going to give it some gas so you can hear that engine run, hear that transmission shift. so you know that when this gets back from conversion, it is road ready. And this way we can even ship it out to you directly from conversion. Might be able to save you a few bucks that way if we don't have to advertise it, we don't have to ship it back here. You know you're getting a quality van, you know the conversion is going to be brand new. You know you're buying a van from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And you can see the vehicle drives nice and straight. That steering wheel is centered. It's not bouncing back and forth, so we got a good tight front end. Got up to almost 70 miles an hour. It drives nice and straight down the highway. I'm going to set the cruise control a little over 60 miles an hour here. What I'll do is take the next exit. I'll give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. Also, folks, keep in mind we have over 500 reviews on eBay, 500 positive reviews, 0 negative reviews. You ask yourself, I don't know this guy, Jeremiah. I've never done business with him. How do I know he's a good guy? Folks, 500 people said we did him right. 0 people said we did him wrong. I think you got your answer right there. Also, keep in mind, we gave you a free temporary tag. We don't have any hidden fees, no administrative fees, no document fees, no tag fees. I don't do business like that. I don't show you one price and then try and slip $1,000 in on the back end like a lot of these dealers do. If you choose to do business with people like that, that's your prerogative. I know I wouldn't. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see there's no brake noise, no grinding, no squeaking. Brakes perfectly. And finally, when you're comparing us to others, also keep in mind we made a video for you. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I don't want any surprises. The first time you lay eyes on this vehicle, whether you take advantage of our free, that's right, I said free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come pick the van up and drive it home, I want you to say this is exactly the van Jeremiah showed us in the video. So if you ever want to come see any of our vehicles, give me a call, 316-262-VANS, 316-262-8267. Please make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. I don't want to miss you. Look how clean that interior is. This van has been kept up. Check us out 24 hours a day, www.mobility316.com. And like I said, if you want to put a deposit down on this van to hold it, to make sure you're the one that gets it, $500 will hold it till it gets here. And if you want to have it shipped directly from the factory to you, we can save you a little bit of money because it saves us a little bit of money. So thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.